So in this Visme tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to create a Twitter or an X advertisement here on the Visme mobile application. So once you're into the Visme app, go to the bottom right and press on the blue circle. Then under project type, I want you to press on where it says social media between web graphics and presentations, and right above where it says charts and graphs. Press on social media. Then once you're here, as of right now, Facebook ads is selected. I want you to slide this bar all the way to the right until you come across a option that says Twitter, I guess in this case now X advertisement. So where it says Twitter ads right here, press on that. And now what this does is it actually first and foremost makes this the proper dimensions needed to create a Twitter or an X ad. So as you can tell, the dimensions here are 1024 by 512. And if you were to scroll down a little bit, first off, you can create a blank template if you want. So what this does is just a blank white screen with these 1024 by 512 dimensions, or what you can do as well, if you want to base this off of a template or, copy a template or whatever, you can scroll down and there's a whole bunch of different templates given to help create a hopefully successful Twitter or X advertisement for you. So once that is done, you can just go ahead and press on whatever app. So let's go ahead and press on this Donut Festival template right here. It's now going to take a couple seconds to load and generate into a new project. And once that is done, which you will see very shortly here, you're now going to have the ability to edit this template if you want. You can go ahead, move it around, input your own stuff, whatever the case may be. Get creative now, base it off whatever you want, but it's pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can create a Twitter or an X advertisement here on the Visme mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.